So this is the shoveling outfit. How's it going? What? Clear this part. Just try to clear this.
Yeah, you're buried.
Maybe you should start your car so you can talk a little bit.
First time using the snow shovel, I see.
Okay, I'm done.
Hey.
So Eddie's gonna finish shoveling. I'm gonna do my hair and a little bit of makeup, and then I'll show you the gym outfit of the day. First, I have this niacinamide dewdrops from Glow Recipe. Niacinamide provides a ton of benefits to the skin, and this one also has hyaluronic acid, which is very good for hydration. This is my go-to because it works really well under makeup. And then I have this Mercier tinted moisturizer. This one is in the shade Bisque. And then I just apply that all over my face using a beauty blender. Next, I'm gonna use this cream bronzer from NARS. This one is in the shade Laguna 03. And then I'm gonna use this brush, which is also from NARS. And then I'm just gonna tap that lightly onto the product and then use a tapping motion onto the hollows of my cheeks. I find that this is the best way to blend cream bronzers so that they don't look patchy. And then for concealer, I'm gonna use this NARS in the shade Macadamia. And then apply that underneath my eyes to brighten the area. And then using a beauty blender to blend it. I'm also gonna blend my bronzer a little bit. And then to set my concealer, I use this powder from Mercier in the shade Translucent. And then again, using a beauty blender to blend it. I just keep going over it until everything is blended well. For brows, I like to use this Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I mostly concentrate that on the tail of my eyebrows, and then I just fill everything in. Then I brush it slightly so that it looks more natural. For blush, I like to use this Pat McGrath palette. Then I'm gonna mix two colors together, and then basically apply that on my cheeks. For my lips, I like to use this Laneige mask. To style my hair, I'm gonna use this Dyson straightener. I have a video about how I do my hair, and this only takes me about 5 minutes to do. I will have it linked in the description below if you guys are interested. And now it's time to go. Okay, so change of plans. Eddie and I decided to do our errands first.
Oh, buddy boy. I have to go to Walmart to get these now.
How many are you getting?
They're sold out everywhere. They're really good. Try it with yogurt.
Can you see? Look how empty.
I kind of like it.
Get it.
Did you get it? You keep it. Okay, but put it away.
Wait, oh, the $5. I just want to show you the outfit of the day. So I'm wearing the super puff jacket from Errands. This one is the waterproof one. And then I have the Everywhere belt bag from Lululemon. This one is in vapor and gold. I got it for Christmas. It has gold hardware, super cute. And then I have my Stanley cup to keep me hydrated because I'm always thirsty. And then for my shoes, I just have the Ultra Mini Uggs. I'll show you. And then I'm just wearing Lululemon aligned leggings. And this is my Pogi boyfriend. Say hello, Bebu. How do you say hello in Latvian? How do you say, welcome to my vlog? You don't even know. Alright, so we're at Best Buy now, and we're just gonna do a quick return here. Your favorite spot? And this is my favorite section. Just dropping this off, please.
Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, so we just finished at Best Buy. We are heading home now. Probably gonna eat something.
All this sled.